Bharat has a several millennia old tradition of serving food on banana leaves. Hindus consider banana leaves to be auspicious and sacred, unaware of the underlying scientific reasons. When the Western colonizers reached our land and came across such ancient practices in Bharat, they undermined our great civilization and wrongly perceived and portrayed us as prehistoric, illiterate early humans. They had no clue about the scientific reasons behind each and every ancient Hindu practice and the in-depth knowledge which our great seers, our ancestors have passed down over the generations. In this episode of Hinduism and Science, let us discuss one such ancient practice of using banana leaves as plates for having food and the underlying health benefits. During auspicious festivals and events, Hindus use banana leaves to offer Naivedyam to the Devatas. Many believe that such a practice of offering bhog on banana leaves to the Devatas is propitious and brings prosperity. In ancient times, whenever a sadhu, a Swamiji or a monk used to visit a household, the family used to serve them with food in fresh and clean banana leaves. So, serving food in regular plates would mean serving food on already used plates, which would be disrespectful to the great monks. Hence, fresh banana leaves were used by them. Annam Parabrahma Swarupam, which means food is considered as an embodiment, a form of the all-pervading Parabrahman. Food is God. Our Indic culture teaches and emphasizes to serve food even to an enemy. Whenever one visits an enemy's household or is invited to dine in, when the food has been served on the banana leaf, if at all the food has been poisoned, the leaf blackens. Hence, it tends to serve as an alarm to avoid consumption and to save oneself. Unknowingly, if at all, food poisoning happens while the food is being prepared. Once the food is served on the leaf, if it gets blackened, it alarms us that something went wrong. Ours is a culture in which visiting guests are served with palatable and sumptuous food, making them satiated. Atithi Devo Bhava is a popular saying in the Hindu culture, which means a guest is revered and is considered to be a form of the god and is equivalent to the god. Guests are served with several delicacies including rice, sambar, various kinds of curries, chutneys, rice and wheat flour snacks, sweets, desserts, healthy fruits and juices, among others. In ancient times, a regular-sized plate or a utensil would have been comparatively smaller and it couldn't have had accommodated all of the various food items in it. So, a large banana leaf was considered to be ideal, efficient, affordable and eco-friendly. Banana leaves are loaded with nutrients, and when warm food is served on them, it gets enriched with several nutrients and produces a particular aroma and a unique flavor. Banana leaves contain large amounts of polyphenols, which are natural antioxidants. The polyphenols present in the banana leaves diffuse into the warm food which is served on the leaf surface, and when consumed, these antioxidants neutralize the disease-causing free radicals and are said to prevent and reduce the severity of many dreaded diseases including heart disease and certain cancers. Banana leaves also have antibacterial, antifungal properties that can possibly kill all the germs in the food, thereby keeping us healthy. In the Hindu marriage ceremonies, banana leaves are used as plates for the purpose of serving food to the guests. This seems to be a much better option, as the porcelain, ceramic plates which are often used in huge gatherings are used over and over again. The presence of potassium and alkaloids in the banana leaves, which have medicinal properties, tends to prevent heart-related disorders. Moreover, using banana leaves as plates for eating food enhances the digestive processes. Parkinson's disease, a chronic progressive neurodegenerative disorder which affects the dopamine-secreting neurons in the brain, seriously impairs the ability to control one's body movements, and one finds it difficult to even hold a glass in a hand firmly. Banana leaves contain polyphenol oxidase, an enzyme that produces levodopa, which is used in treating Parkinson's disease. Placing banana leaves on burnt wounds provides some relief from the burning pain. The youth of the present generation is totally unaware of the deep-rooted scientific and cultural practices of our land. After having our food on banana leaves, we have no clue regarding how to fold it before disposing it off. Truth be said, the elders who teach and pass down such knowledge to their children and grandchildren are increasingly becoming rare. After having our meals in a marriage ceremony, the leaf has to be folded inward. Symbolically, this means that they are happy and would be meeting them soon in the near future. In Shraddh ceremony or when visiting an enemy's household, after consuming the food, the leaf has to be folded outwards, which symbolizes a goodbye. And it also means that this would be deemed to be the last meeting. So try to remember this procedure the next time you eat your meal served on banana leaves. The plastic plates which we recklessly dispose of poses a detrimental threat to the environment, and the cows and the cattle which unknowingly consume these non-biodegradable waste could face serious life-threatening issues. So by using biodegradable plates like banana leaves, which is sustainable and eco-friendly, we are not only protecting the environment, but also we are even indirectly protecting our fellow domestic animals from dangerous threats caused by plastic and other non-biodegradable plates. In Sanatana Dharma, each and every cultural and traditional practice has its roots in science, and every procedure has a scientific backing. Our customs, our traditions, our rituals are not superstitions. They are beyond the perception of prejudiced, colonized minds, hence they are devalued and often downplayed, mocked and demeaned. We are being conditioned to undermine and look down upon our own culture. Let us decolonize our minds and reclaim the lost glory of Bharat. We at United Originals are making a small attempt to explain the significance and greatness of Sanatana Dharma through animated videos. We hope to make many such videos, which is only possible with your support. Please do share and subscribe to our channel United Originals.